Now, next definition of focus. As we see in the last video, what is focus? The point of intersection of reflected ray when incident rays are parallel to principal axis. The focal length the distance between focus and pole of the mirror is called focal length. This is concave mirror. This is convex mirror. Principal axis. Focus. This focus. And this length is called focal length. Here, this is focal length. F. Next important thing is ray diagram. We draw ray diagram to locate the image of the object. We draw ray diagram to locate the image. What is ray diagram? Ray diagram is a diagram showing intersections of incident rays and corresponding reflected rays. In other words, we know that intersection of incident rays is called object and corresponding reflected rays is the image of that object. When we draw ray diagram, there are three rays important in the case of spherical mirrors, important rays. Out of these three, any two ray can form image. First, lines, incident rays parallel to principal axis, incident rays parallel to principal axis either passes through the focus this is in the case of concave mirror, or appear to diverge from focus in case of convex mirror. Means by ray diagram, concave mirror, first important rays is that when principal axis के parallel, when the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, the concave mirror passes through the focus. We will see its importance to make ray diagram to form images. And convex mirror, the ray appear to come from focus after reflection. Second ray. The second important rays means incident rays, passing through focus becomes parallel after reflection. Either focus becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. This is for concave mirror. For convex mirror we can write rays appear to converge to the focus, becomes parallel to the principal axis after reflection. This is what happened in convex mirror, in case of convex mirror. Ray diagram by ray diagram. If incident ray is directed towards the focus after reflection, it will be parallel to principal axis. And in this case, incident ray passing through the focus after reflection becomes parallel to principal axis. Third ray. If incident rays are passing through center of curvature or appear to converge at the center of curvature, in both the cases, they will trace back its path because they falls normally on the mirror. Incident rays passing through center of curvature or appear to converge at the center of curvature retrace its path after reflection. The ray diagram is like this. Trace back means if rays are passing through C, that means they are striking normally to the mirror. When there is a normal incidence, the reflected ray trace back its path. This, and for convex mirror, rays appear to diverge at the center of curvature C, will trace back its path. There is another ray, that is, if rays strikes this principal axis, if rays strikes at the pole making some angle with the principal axis, then it will reflect back by the same angle following the laws of reflection. Means this angle theta and this angle theta. Means this is angle of incidence, angle of reflection. Both will be equal. This way it reflects. Similarly for this mirror. At pole making some angle theta, it will reflect by making the same angle with the principal axis theta, using the laws of reflection. Now we will use those important rays to make ray diagram. For example, this is a concave mirror, and this is its principal axis. This is F, this is C. So this is object. Now from this point we draw a ray parallel to principal axis. It will pass through the focus. One ray. Second ray we can use passing through focus and reflects back in this way, and these reflected rays intersect at this point. Therefore the image of this object will be formed here. We have used two rays in this case. If we want to use third rays, now if third ray will pass through C, it will strike to the mirror in this way, and the direction of striking is such that it is passing through C in this direction. Then it will trace back in the same path, and after coming back, it will intersect those rays at the same point. इस वो सारी रेज, वो ऑल रेज जो ऑब्जेक्ट से स्टार्ट हो रही है, जैसे आप हम ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सपोज एक रे ऐसे जा रही है, इसको हम क्या करेंगे, फिर इसको यहां से इसी पॉइंट से ज्वाइन करेंगे, तो ये वाला इसका इमेज यही बनाएगा. सारी रेज जो इस पॉइंट O से चल रही हैं, वो सारी की सारी रेज यहाँ इमेज बनाएंगी, और the rays between these 2 points, means this is base, this is top, between all these points, suppose this the ray emanating from this point, it will form image at this point. Hence all the points will act as object, and their image will be formed on this line.